What if I told you there are ways to make money while you sleep, even as a teenager? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, keep watching, because today, I'm going to reveal 5 passive income ideas that could change your financial future. Hey everyone, welcome back to The Unique Mentor. In today's video, we'll dive into 5 passive income ideas that anyone can start, even if you're a complete beginner. These methods require little to no upfront investment, and I'll explain exactly where to start with each one. So, let's jump right in. Number 1, affiliate marketing. First up, we have affiliate marketing. This is where you promote products or services for companies and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique link. You can share these links on social media or your blog. To get started, join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or ClickBank and begin promoting products you love. Want to know more about how to become an affiliate marketer? Comment below for a full video. YouTube automation. This involves creating a YouTube channel without ever appearing on camera. You can hire freelancers to produce content and monetize your channel through ads. Start by picking a niche, hiring freelancers for video editing, voiceovers, and script writing, and uploading videos consistently. Are you interested in starting your own YouTube automation channel? Let me know in the comments for a detailed guide. Number 3, selling digital products. Our third idea is selling digital products. These are items you create once and can sell repeatedly, like ebooks, design templates, or online courses. You can create a product based on your skills and sell it on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. To get started, think about what you're good at, create your digital product, and set up your shop online. Want to dive deeper into this? Comment for a full video on how to create and sell digital products. Number 4, the POD, often known as print on demand. With POD, you design products like t-shirts and mugs, and a third-party company prints and ships them for you whenever someone makes a purchase. This means you don't have to handle inventory. Sign up on platforms like Redbubble or Teespring, upload your designs, and start promoting your products. Want more tips on starting your own print-on-demand store? Let me know in the comments. Number 5, creating an online course. Finally, we have creating an online course. If you're knowledgeable about a specific topic, you can create a course and sell it on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on making money online.